Good morning. Today we got a 2001 Deuce. What we did was we put Vance Hines Sure Shots. It's a nice looking pipe, relatively priced, a couple $100. I think it was like $400, $370. And we ran a Power Commander. And with that, this bike really responded well. It has a nice throaty sound, and it sounds great, and it runs real good. It wasn't hard with the Power Commander. It was pretty easy to do. With that, let me start it up. Pump is on. She really runs strong. I love the sound. The response is excellent. If you have any questions, just ask. Remember, Vance & Hines, Sure Shots, and a Power Commander. And we turned this into a nice little hot rod. If you could, please subscribe and thumbs up. Have a great day and ride safe. Now we're going to take a test ride and let you guys hear it as we do a drive-by.